The Food Service Exchange presents.
To replace the door hinge assembly, first open the door. Using a 7/16" open-end wrench, loosen the bolts at the bottom hinge. Allow the door to slide all the way down. Retighten one of the bolts to hold the hinge at this level. This will prevent the door from sliding upward when the door is removed. Remove the 5/16" hex head screw from the bottom of the door hinge. Placing one hand on the bottom of the door, lift the door up and off the bottom hinge, removing the door from the cabinet. Remove the two Phillips head screws from the bottom edge of the door. Then remove the spring cartridge from the bottom of the door. Place the new spring cartridge in a closed position into the bottom hinge. Turn the cartridge past 90 degrees to the hold open position. The spring cartridge should now be in a diamond position, pointing towards the back. Place the spring cartridge into the bottom of the door using the two Phillips head screws. Place one nylon washer, then a relief spring, then the second nylon washer onto the spring cartridge. The relief spring needs to be pointing towards the inside of the door. Use a strip of tape to secure the two washers and the relief spring to the bottom of the door. Slide the door up onto the top pin, then place the door on the bottom hinge. Maneuver the door until the spring cartridge seats firmly into the bottom hinge. After removing the tape, reinstall the 5/16" screw. Loosen the 7/16" bolt and slide the door all the way up. Tighten the 7/16" bolts to complete the operation.